Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're checking out the hidden Easter egg for Minecraft's 15th anniversary. And that is when you go onto Google and you Google Minecraft, you'll notice that there's a funky little grass block that appears at the bottom of your screen. And if you click on that, you get the OG Steve's hand, and you can start clicking on different chunks of the search results in order to break them and reveal different blocks that you can smack and mess around with inside of these windows. There's like a little counter here in the corner of how many blocks you've broken. And it looks like it's a little bit random, like how many you get and see. And as you break stuff, it reveals the background, starting with the latest cherry blossom trees that they added. We can just break more of those. Destroy leaves on some wooden trees. Break this wool, which I'm guessing is supposed to represent clouds to some degree. And then the further down we go, because I can just keep going further down in the search results, you get some different biomes, like you get the desert pyramid, and that reveals a picture of the desert behind it. We've also got some snow biome blocks over here that reveals a snowscape. I'm not sure if there's like an objective to this. Some of these Easter egg sort of games that Google puts together in their search have some kind of objective, and then they give you like a pseudo achievement at the end if you, like, say, break enough blocks, since there isn't a counter. But you can see down here it even shows like hidden spots for the environment, like inside of a cave. Break some iron, and breaking certain things actually makes XP explode and appear. So I'm guessing that's true for like all of the different ores. And literally all the different search results, you know, they reveal something different in the background. This one's more cave. This is like deep slate, deep bedrock stuff. Breaking the diamond, and then when I got to like 190, it gave me more XP. Okay, that's kind of cool. How deep does this go? Now, if you want to try this out for yourself, we're reaching bedrock. If you want to try this out for yourselves, you can just Google Minecraft. I'm doing this in Google Chrome. I don't know if that matters. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. And you can check this out. So once we get deep enough, we start going into the nether with nether wart. Very cool. But yeah, if you try this and it's not necessarily available when you just Google Minecraft and that block doesn't appear at the bottom, you can generally just Google the archive full of past Google Doodles and like Google hidden Easter eggs, and it should take you where you need to go. There's usually like a wiki too, where they explain when these appeared and why. Again, this is for Minecraft's 15th anniversary, so that's sort of like their little nod to Minecraft, which is pretty cool. So we've got the end now, where you can see a scene of the end. Got more of the temple. We've got part of a house. Okay, so some of these things don't actually break, like the crafting bench and the little oven don't break. That's kind of cool to see. We've got some winter going on with a winter testificate village. We've got a library where we can take in and out some books. Click on a redstone lantern. That's actually pretty cool. Do they have any other unique looking ones? It's like you, as you would expect, can't mine through the bedrock. That's the whole point of bedrock to begin with. But they got little clickables, and then we're back to the cherry blossom stuff. Okay, well that's kind of cool. It's just like a cheap, free, for funsies, for no particular reason, Minecraft Easter egg on Google. Just Google Minecraft. It's for their 15th anniversary. And if you don't see this, you can probably Google it and find it that way. So that'll be it. Have a good one, everybody, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!